There's no woman who can go and open a case of another woman slapping her body.
Yeah.
Ngapha ishare yakho ifuna unemuntu oyi-1. So cabanga ukuthi laba abanye bazojabulisa ngabobani. That's where the lesbian comes in and takes over because there's a lot.
Mele ngiyojiva. Abangani siphume chomi ngihlangana nobabami. What the fuck? And uhleni nomno.
Ngizane peak, I'm pickering my child.
Sithole.
Taking them home.
Why sithole wena ngeke?
You know mina
Is it worth it to lose this person? Yeah. Can I go out there and tasa the ngulaza level and tell them abantu angayenzanga lutho? Like now you start
bemele ngithini? Ngazojoya cherry yami yangijikele phansi isini iyajika athi ayeslender uslender uyami sekuba isilima lapho sengiyadlula abaqhunywe okapipe bayangilaka ayishela
Mele ngitshele. Yeah. And imama mele limamela otherwise awutholi.
yeah.
Mele umamele imama.
Stepfather, akustepfather kumala yona. Akustepfather lapha. If there's a male, you kill that one. That's
Noke Podcast. Up next.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time we drop guys, you'll be notified guys. We're back baby. A lot of people are loving our show guys. Thank you guys. On the comment section we see you. The Sejo, I see the Sejo there saying yo, this is gonna be my favorite show on the channel. Yo, we appreciate you Sejo. Shout out to you man. Shout out to Noma. It's Norma. I know this one. She's always there on the comment section. Shout out to Sis Norma there. Norma Sharp. Who else is there, guys? We must say some shout out to our people, you know. Who else is there? Yeah, man. Just keep on commenting, guys. The regulars, we will send you some shout outs. The regulars, if you do comment there, whenever when we drop or when we shoot, we're gonna say your shout out, man. Yo, we really appreciate the support, man. Yeah, man. If you are new, guys, it's me, guys, aka Mfana wa Timboti. You know where the Mfana wa Timboti came from? No. I was just thinking about this, right? Cause okay, you know what? I'm gonna get into this thing. Okay, let me start there, guys. Who do we have there?
Yashoba fethu siphethe unsako babuza intombi ezinye intombi. Ngiyamuzwa usitholo appreciate kulabo baku-comment section, even ama-viewers. Viewers, thank you guys for kuthatha isikhathi senu nisibukele kusho okukhulu kithi. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press that notification bell so that every time we drop lento siyenza la ifike kuwe kuqala.
Yeah.
It's your boy people the hero aka Masipone.
Away.
Vivo amalafu.
Guys, if ever Matimbul's energy is a little bit, it's because they were playing, guys. They were playing and you guys won, eh?
Yeah.
To what score? 2-0. I mean, guys, I think we're about badala na ma match.
Yo.
Each and every like you can't be winning. Like there's no tough game. Like okay, say Atlanta stole an inning. Okay, done. We won. Johnny.
Seven times in a row.
It's because Umnigas remember that Sundowns can buy players. He's money like that.
Shooting at 2 coaches, we was going talent and put into action.
Yes.
Okay. I hear you, man. And then yeah, man.
Talent recognizes talent.
Pardon?
Talent recognizes talent.
I got you. I hear you. Guys, the first topic of the day. Guys, what are you laughing?
You big smash.
Hello. Oh my God. You're kidding me. Okay, the first topic of the day is this, guys. Né? If you can switch a gender, right, for 24/7, what would you do?
Yeah. If
you can switch a gender.
Why?
Yeah, of course. Remember, your gender is female. So of course you're gonna be like a guy.
Why?
So what would you do with your 24/7?
Uyabona le kumele ngihlalele so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ngabayenzani?
Yeah.
Yo!
Yeah.
Ngiyakutshela.
Yeah.
Na wayimele kudliwe thina kuphela.
Hayi.
No, but like, okay.
Uyamudla.
Okay, yeah. You see, that's why I have a problem.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a chick back in the day while I was still in high school and stuff, ne? She used to mention things like this, which is, when uyangilala or when uyangidla. I was like, no,
Siyadlala.
no, it's a two-way thing.
Ngiyabona ngathi phela yini phela no.
No, maybe
No.
kanjalo.
Look, there's a positive and a negative.
Yeah.
There's something that have to go inside something else. If the other something else can't move, do you understand?
Ngicela ngaba ngifana ke.
Okay, and then okay, when the main reason is to smash.
Yeah. Yo. Smash that building.
Oh my God! Okay, sexy. If you just switch a channel.
Obviously, ngaba umfana, but only for one reason.
Okay.
Make babies.
Yes.
Sidinga abantu Sithole.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, for lokho, only for lokho. Otherwise, kuba nje lesbian.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you really appreciate everything about like,
Yeah.
being a lady,
Yeah.
except when it comes to making kids.
Yeah. Because manje you need one, but abenzeka abantwana because imali ayikho.
Ntwana wena?
Anginasithola ngane so. Angishintshi.
Yeah. Oh, shinshile. This is the first
give it a
matter.
chance,
But
man.
already now you have switched. Wait a second.
Yes, I mean, I really appreciate kuba lesbian.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuthanda, but
Yeah.
for one purpose. Ngaba
look-
umfana
yeah,
ukuthi
yeah.
ngenza abantwana.
And then wena?
Yo.
Ungayenzani so uyithekeni?
Ngichill.
Yeah.
Saphase.
Mina ngizwane ngokungangena.
Saphase. 24 hours.
Yeah.
24 hours.
Bibo.
Mina, you know,
Ungayenzani?
you know, Mina, what I can do if we can switch gender for like a 24 hours or so.
Yeah.
I can start a bunch of businesses because women have like, you guys don't exercise the ability that you have of like doing things. You just use beauty only. I'm beautiful. Like a rich man gonna come to me and whatever. But like you don't really take that advantage of like, yo, me as a female, I have like lots of access where I can go.
Yeah.
That's why even if you can check when it comes to like apartheid and whatnot, they took all the gents and leave with women and babies.
Yeah.
Do you understand? That's the advantage and the superpower that women have.
Nami ngayenza imali.
And
Girls,
yeah, exactly.
they
And
don't spend on themselves.
you see, even if you can check your Miriam Makebas when like across the world, you know, trying to push this notion of like, apartheid and whatnot. She uses her voice. Like women have supernatural powers that they don't want to exercise.
You know, nge-lockdown.
Yeah.
Bengithi nge-lockdown.
Lockdown.
Sebenza nge-lockdown.
Lockdown.
Yeah, I saw Kabelo. Sopo baba. Nge-lockdown.
Yeah.
We used to stand nje. Obviously, mina ngi-lesbian.
Yeah.
Ngihlala ngama-chair.
Yeah.
Besalokhalela ikhokho sizimele nje emakuleni. Kuzodlula nje umjito one. Abulise lo gelo enginayo, I can't say anything.
Yeah.
Abulise lo gelo athi cold drink. We used to drink boma 5 or 6.
Exactly.
Yeah, ama-coke ngelanga just ngokume emakuleni.
Just for being a girl.
Kudlule one azothenga emakuleni.
Yeah.
We get a coke.
Bro.
We used to drink coke.
Women don't understand the power that they have. That's why even on podcasting space, ne? McG once said something. Ati, it's just that you guys you are not built for patience. If you not like something that have to happen like now. What I KFC now, let's do. In Doguchi, I have to build a house. No, you don't want that. You understand? If you feel like you want to live on the moment, like whatever that you see. Now we are pushing like Upada. Exactly.
Noma ngayenza sci-fi. Ngiphile ngiyona.
So
Low Cinderella.
But you understand what I'm trying to say in that?
Yeah.
Women have like supernatural powers that you guys are not exercising.
About using in that is right.
Yes. That only uses half of what God gave you, which is beauty, which is like we can see. Which you are bad, you got like nyash. Oh, I'm gonna shake my booty and then I'm gonna get money. I'm telling you, bro. So
I was such a serious now. And then like being a woman big, I mean I'm a woman. Like tell them advantage of Tinto
and
man.
when this comes to Tintan and General Ocean, there's no woman who can go and open a case of another woman slapping her body.
Yeah.
Even if you don't know that person, then
that's true.
Even if you don't know that person, angeke umuntu uzosuka manje like or maybe uthi umbamba ibele or ungishaya ibuni or maybe ungikhisile like you take it as like get out of here. It's never gonna be like hard like yo.
Why is it
exactly.
Yeah.
Even how beautiful she is, she wanna leave you. You are just a girl.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So those are some of the. I'm telling you, those are some of the supernatural powers that women have. But you guys don't know. Jelly, Sun City, Baba, locked in.
I understand you, know, like sometimes I feel like you guys, you tend to use a. You're going to go with it, no man, I'm shy, spoon, guys. Why is I'm shy?
Yeah.
But Nina, like, each man, I'm bushing Tombazan, so. When you use it for so Taiwan, what's a lot? I'm crewman now.
No, not.
Why in the time games are
and not every guy who's like that. But like I hear what you mean, cause like because men are masculine, eh? They try to use their forces, their powers.
So when I know it, but we born at attractive like that.
No, it is not. It is not at all.
Why?
Like I don't know, man.
Speak for your fellow brothers.
No. Okay. I can say this, ne? I can say this, Zidane, ne? Those are cowards. These are people who can speak to women. These are people who are broke because you can't court like a woman without no money. Because it's a courtship.
But you guys, if you don't have man, just when the lesbian have money in the chair, if you don't have why has Umbamba?
You are a coward. As much as I'm telling you, you're a coward. There's a lot of women out there. You can't be like coloring just because a lesbian has passed with the chick that maybe you wanted or not even that you wanted just because it's a girl. How many girls are there? So you understand? So that's where the lesbian comes in and takes over because there's a lot. I'm telling you, Brenda. There's a lot like bro, like if ever now, I can open up to be on a dating space. Just imagine how many people would like to be with me at my space. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. How many ladies or
but
chicks?
I feel like I'm a cheater. I feel like intimidated. Even though like it's not a competition. Right?
Of course it's not.
You get but it's competition. You know, Yasmina lately, I'm feeling I feel like I'm surviving. Especially around my girlfriend because like, you know, one day bangang bamba because of where. Because the other day, yeah, truly speaking, I don't. The other day, the samba said, what I purchased in Plaza Caslam. We have a pause and I'm going to girlfriend of Dana. We have a pause. And it's by the Sababis away. At high, I'm a busy.
Wait. She's a girl.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Yimbambene, Yim Chigis. Let it we have a bamba. Umtana lo bamba we tsubuza ubisa lo mngana kuthoza bona yabo. uthi mina ngibambe girlfriend nomntana ku uthi mina ngibambe boyi2 like
and I got a question like yo
feel ngenyisela ukuthi you know because eqaleni before lelo langa bake abasithuka nje samedlele ukuthi asinabamba lo ogcoke kanje kanje basho girlfriend you know so ngifeel ngathi like ba feel intimidated even though mina ngazi ukuthi why but they do like yo bayenza into eziweird.
Ntwana, just imagine, as much as I said that those are cowards, né? Just imagine like if ever those people ban number fast and everything, do you think they will be going around looking for another trouble?
Bashimile.
Bangakwenza
Ngibona umjida oshala makadakiwe kuphela. Ila amajida njalo ushimile umuntu yazibuza ukuthi why lo ayicherry ukhona kanjani.
Okay, I hear you. Uthe ujikise icherry yakho uthi bayakhwaza ngayo.
Yeah.
I have a problem with that, né? Or I have a question on top of that, né? What do you guys think ilaba bantu if ever like nina nihamba no2 then mina ngilanda wena, né? I want to share you or like ngicela like ama phone number or something, né? Then wena ubuza uNtsako. Uthi Ntsako ngimnike.
I can't.
No. Why uzobuza?
No,
I will tell you my number reason.
Because some people expect you to wear must say yo.
Lalela. Stole.
She's my hand.
Remember, yes, in reason yamenza ukuthi ngafuna ukuzigena kakhulu especially if sihlangana namajida try approach hamba nami. It's because kusasa ngifuna ukubukeka njengesilimi. Ane number 1 ngiyicherry. And then when you get excited with ngidlele le can't ubani. Umntana lo can't ufuna izandla, umntana ufuna ubana leyo nto leyo yabo. So sasa wonhlanga nami hamba no girlfriend. You want to greet your girlfriend? Ahamba nami. Greet her, it's up to her ukuthi respect yakhe ingakanani kimi. Because namhlanje ngiyakulisa ngazongijwayela kabi azobuthi kusasa ngikho uyambulisa uyavuka ubani islima lapho. So that's why mina like amampela ngizigeni lezi zinto lezi ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi ngithi wayazokubulisa or ngithi yabo so rather speak for yourself, speak your truth.
And then we're not boys.
So
no need ukuthi umuntu wakhe kumele amkhulumele kulo mjida. Kusasa akekho umuntu wakhe ojika kulelo khona. Uyamfunda. So uyislima sakho.
When if umjida when like we are an approach yonibona ukuthi in South Gate or in North Gate or wherever.
I feel like yabona emajideni so fun. Advantage. You can fight for a girl. Why uzofuna icherry yami you
can fight.
Like confront. Angisho ukuthi fight like physical. But confront ukuthi ngizongenza kanje nami ngiyindoda yabo. But mina as a lesbian,
you don't know ukuthi umntana kini or kwenzakalani. It may happen you guys came ngemoto.
Guys abantu abajolayo uyababona.
Okay, and then
mina ngizingibona ukuthi ucherry wami yazi into like
no, let me fight a scenario, Don. Now, Mumchita. Let's say we are before maybe I don't know, maybe a Tipones or whatever. Here comes the guy, and Valo Chirwa. When I will lie, I think I'm Valo Pumanga. We are up and we are up. When I like what's your
not. Phela lapho personal
wena sithole
awuvala indlela umuntu wami personal anyamlande ngijida mfethu khamba awuboni mama la
sithole wena.
No, you have to stop it. You have to step in.
Mina for me unless if ngiyabona ukuthi akathandi I think ila ngingazama ukuthi ngibe superhero of the day but no mutakazikhulumela usayibeka.
Yeah, because
mina ngiyakholwa ngekho angifuni ukuthi ngithi ngiyehla ngephathi sibabona isilima sento. You get like yo angifuni nami.
Yeah, he approach says a lot. If a guy have been with your girl or there's something that they operated before, is a one approach yakho ukuthi lo muntu it's either uzomara esayitini athe Simpiu. You understand?
Okhuluma nawe.
He knows you by name. Yakuza is not holding you, and when you decide a woman, then pay attention to the woman.
Kanjani ngihamba nomuntu wami?
Eyes child. No, I'm painting a scenario.
Ngithi akasujwayela. Why if ufuna ukuma mina hey ngizohila, I will adjust. That's why I would never use the line ukuthi umuntu wami would never. Because umuntu wami ngazi lento ekhomba mina. Ukuthi wenzani? Manyako, like 9 hours of the day, every fucking day, I need. So that's why I mean, like, truly speaking, I'm fun nami, I'm fun who's fire smell, the so good see, nyamrela,
So you even tell your hand, yo, whenever it's a starting, you must make sure, if ever best miss, say what you have to say. If we're now home,
no, because this other day, basifrontile samba soyithune, then obviously girlfriend nama kakhuluma ngaphendula, then yamthi ngathi ngicela ungimisele, then ngathi babiza azange akaza inaki, wangibuza ukuthi why lo yamjida makangibiza uyele waphendula. Ngivele ngamtshela into ewani ukuthi ikhona la ngakini udlula kulo almost ufuna ukuya emakuleni udlula kulela khona, lamajida ahlala kulela khona, sasa ngikho mina sengikulwelile ngathi
no, but she's right. You are not supposed to say hello back base.
No, maybe like, I feel like
it's more like you are selling her. That's why she felt.
No, I love her to the moon and back, but umuntu ngeke umazi.
Yes, but like don't play.
Nathi ngihamba nomuntu amngangulisa.
No, umuntu makangafuni uyambona. No need ukuthi akhulume.
Awukutshengisile ukuthi akafuni ukuthi.
Yeah, angizange ngimdotse ngivele ngathi bakubitana.
But don't do that. Yes, and she respects you.
Is it the same respect as omniga yona mangiyekhe eduze kwakho? You never know. So I don't know what that's all. Akazikhulumele if akafuni ngizobona ukuthi
exactly asikhulumele ungabasizi ukuthi asikhulumele
and uyabasiza
angithi phela njengoba ngithi girlfriend akakhuluma umjito usikhulumela like ngale mina ukuthi like yasifunda ngaphendula mina bathi ngicela ungibizile bemele ngithini azojwayela Cheram yangijikele phathi isini yajika athi ayeslender uslender uyami sekuba islima lapho sengiyadlula abaqhunywe okapipe bayangilaka angeke akufuni ngami I so wish you guys ngithole point yami siyayizwa kodwa nje
singabantu sithanda ngibele niyenze
phela mina ngeke ngikulwele simphiwe
inyazi ukuthi
angasudlula lapha efika omningi ekuyami uzuhlela
marama esifungize nini
singekho okay it means something kodwa leo ngipha yona ngingekho iyo emina the most.
Okay guys, have you ever dated like somebody who's crazy? I wanna hear a story.
Umuntu kulma yedwa.
No, not that level. Like, you know. Those kind of thing. I'm talking about those ones. What's in it?
I'm Jordan.
So
I feel like I've once dated one.
Okay, where's that? I wanna hear this story.
Okay, being dated now by two.
Okay.
Is to girlfriend what is this show? You know why? Uzothi iqiniso yalento engifuna ukuyisho then uzokwata forever. No, I can't do that.
But they didn't watch.
You my girlfriend do.
Oh,
you remember that thing? It's Lord Tonton ngathengela ex. Yo, she was so fucking crazy, bro. 2 days when I told you story. But I once dated just that Anyang is a story.
But now it's
I still don't shoot. Like my girlfriend
Yeah.
uyibukela from second until the last minute of young
yeah.
like we are like shout out to her futhi sharing.
Yeah.
But one view
Shout out to the girlfriend.
I mean,
Yeah.
but I can't share a story. But
Okay.
yeah, once they had someone crazy, she would do things, man. So they wanna.
Okay. If you can, even if you don't mention a name, but like the scenario, your girl, she
Thinking of the scenario, ne,
yeah.
involve something. And no girlfriend, on the current girlfriend, and she's gonna find out cause and then that's me
Yeah, but see why the class belmoshigi
yeah.
So if you're gonna tell the story, which no, they are chicken, yeah, 30 class, yeah, pull out. This is the story. Also, say, but I did ask, Gucci, what happened to that?
Yeah, so I can't go into details.
Okay.
But I've once dated someone crazy. Yeah.
But like, how does it feel to date somebody who's crazy?
Yeah. Hey man, most sure that man, but I keep finding
You end up adjusting.
Yeah, you adjust because ngathi beyihlanyela mnama was great. So yo weird things happen.
Like what?
Shit happen.
Like what?
Running each other happen.
Like what in Toronto?
Like running on my phone happen. A lot happen.
Yeah.
A lot happen. Yeah.
Okay, then Donna. No, for to experience such crazy stuff. But what is it your current partner you can say, hey, this one is like there's a little bit cuckoo in the head. What is it? What is it? He didn't die that you can say, hey, this one, hey, sometimes. Ngathi ngaphinda ibamba my phone.
Yabona umuntu mamtshela into ne ngathi intambo ayixoboza
No.
Yeah, and imama mele limamela ayos awutholi.
Yeah.
Mele umamele imama. And ngiyamuzwa naye emva kwamakhamera uthi imihlangana la kule relationship. Yena maka me feel ngathi break up mina ngithi no. Futhi ngivuke ngubeni ke ngoba 11 ebusuku ngiyisiya. No.
You know my girlfriend's toilet. That girl began my instincts. Like
Morning.
accident. Bekasana ukumbhaka straight. Uthola ukuthi we just fix things manje. Ngizoxoxela ngento ekayenzeka. Sengisa izinto uyangifonela. And manje mina I want to go ngiyolala. Yabo ngiyolala ku makangifonela ngishiphone endlini ukuthi hasophuma ekuseni. Around 5 o'clock.
Go.
Bekasekasi. And then ngifilile nemina you know lento ukuthi but now like so menza mina you know girlfriend makangikhapha nasivela ngale yakhona yasesincedeni ngepurchase
Niyahlangana.
athi ngibone ngokuthi ungaphenduli ifoni ukuthi khonto yenza
Uthi ubambile wena.
sithole yabo manje siyasho makhala ifoni bekuzobe ngisithole
Nikeze phone.
yeah sithole.
Yeah, that was toxic.
Yeah,
that was toxic.
Yeah. So
Once in Bangladesh, you get to the point where you have to make sure which you switch on your location, make sure which you shoot my pictures, which you pick video calls. It doesn't seem like somebody is controlling you because you are doing it, but when you're outside that relationship, you can see, damn it, that was a toxic relationship. Yeah.
We're so toxic. Both of us too.
Then when
something you must tell people like when ungajola nomuntu like maybe let's say benjola then a cheat cheating kwakhe alalana ungaqhubeka like
bro, like I have broken up with like bunch of girls. To me, I can't handle like to know, even just to know which when
back to Musisa.
No, not even don't even go to your details and stuff. If I can get you right-handed, if I can get you right-handed or catch you right-handed, which we enjoy. I mean, I just need like a basic things, which It was nice, seeing you. I miss you so much. Don't even go into kiss yako yanamatela. No.
But you know,
Just for you.
Like guys are selfish.
What do you
Because
mean?
if tables were 10, ufuna yena axolele for sleeping with another girl. But when you can't forgive, yabona abekho abantu
Selfish.
not selfish.
Yeah.
Akekho umuntu ongafuni ngaye njengomjida. Umjida would say, angeke ngize ngijole nawe ulele noma. Like abazehlisi. Yabona abafana.
No, like males. Let me just say males.
Yeah, and abazehlisi. That's maybe we 100%, maybe 5% of men forgive cheating. Okay. Amajita knows their value.
Bro, it's not about value.
You guys, nimisa umhlaba wonke uthi okay, fuck uthando. Bakwazi ukuyolala nomunye umjita.
Okay.
Besa kuwi.
Okay.
What if beka you guys are selfish?
Let me put it in this way. So to answer you, Dimples, I can't forgive. Even just to see. Not even going in details which is actually Ngubeni. The tolerating of Ngubeni level, that's where people are being killed too much.
Yeah.
A lot of people. That's the extreme. The Ngubeni level. I'm not even talking about the Ngubeni level though. I'm talking about the messaging. The WhatsApp saying you're just nice, whatever. Oh, you already met. It's shy. So remember, when you sleep with a girl, okay, this is very educational. Pay attention. Okay, so when you sleep with a girl without a condom and stuff, your DNA as a man stays inside her. Even if like she can do whatever, the sperm cells, it's a DNA, it's a coding. That's what Toluguti abanye Toluguti wa lala no banbani mhlambe asasemncane ne, but agcina thola umntana ngathi ucishe afana no lona, but they are not sleeping together. I'm telling you. Scientifically proven anything ngisho. So DNA stay inside. It like you build inside a woman. That's where if umuntu bathi ungalali nabantu banebhadi nawe ugcina unebhadi kanjani. That's a DNA. If again kune like a curse and everything, you are passing a curse to Dimples. Now to izinto ngathi asahambe the way it is. Yes.
You are truly believe in muscle ties.
Exactly. So we can say ukuthi just insult us no. Abanye bathi kumele wegeza no. That's a DNA. DNA if I'm not a hustler, if I'm not like a winning type and everything, I'm just a lazy and everything. I'm going to sleep with you when I'm ngathi into zakhona abathi kuyadlala.
When we are kodwa
yes, because manje I'm infecting you. It's an infection. Yeah. Now I'm inside you. So that's why guys, even lions, ne? Okay, let me give example with Ilwan. Ipubezi, if they defeat the male one, ne? They kill all the newborns which are males as well. They kill them because they wanna kill the DNA of the other one. Akumelanga khula lana eze akuna stepfather, akustepfather kumalayon. Akustepfather lapha. If there's a male, you kill that one. That's where you cut out the DNA. So do you understand? So a lot of guys like you used to excel, you used to work nice and everything, but you're sleeping with the different people who have like different backgrounds, we have like different cases from back then. That's how they pass. Yeah, so now you figure when you thought we to go back niggas imali or we have some people being you don't know. Exactly. And then now it's an exchange of DNA. Amate, oh my God, you didn't know. Do you understand, Don? Even Ilona, even Amate, that's DNA. That's why Mabasi bands it DNA test. It's either umkamo, it's either like it's your saliva. That's where your inwele, exactly. That's where your DNA is. So ukulala nomuntu maybe for so long. Sometimes but hey, ngathi niyafana man. Awuzange wayizwe lento le. Yeah, but ayibo wena. Okay, for an example, but hey, bangibona wena ngibona uAyanda. Okay. Ngoba maybe you are used to seeing us together and whatnot. Or maybe ngoba sonke singamayellow bone. Exactly. But it's not that. It's because you are coding. When you take that thing and you see even the craziness that you in your previous relationship, you end up tolerating that thing because you are exchanging DNA. Yes. So no, once you exchange, if Lomund Lona buying or something, whoa, what just happened? Then you end up saying, okay, we're gonna buy another one, but I'm sorry, you are understanding. It's child. Oh, well, it's up to her. Me,
you know that
I give options.
A man and a woman, the way you want a woman take time to let go.
Yeah, that I know.
You are both.
That's
so shooty.
You don't have to tell me twice on that one.
Use advantage. You know.
No, Dwana, sometimes men takes time to grow. Men. Sometimes we take time to grow.
Sometimes you don't take time.
Exactly. Sometimes we take time to grow. So when when we're maukula, ne, you realize a lot of things. You realize like, is it worth it to lose this person?
Yeah.
Can I go out there and tasa the ngulaza level and tell them bantu anga too? Like now you start. I'm telling you, bro. Now you start thinking a lot. I was like, okay.
Now I need to grow up. We play a man, Ben of the bench. Saying, okay, I guess you guys take time to grow. And they wanna Baba enjoy too much, and I think this is right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now,
I'm tired.
Marriage is a trap. Marriage.
Shut the one.
No, like it's a trap because now you have to fulfill your girl's dream. This is a husband, whatever, because she will tell you everything that she wants you to do. And like,
but if you want to live in Pilecred, listen to your man in your life.
That's why I'm saying that's the problem.
You know, I saw it.
That's the problem. Yeah.
You get paid.
Yeah.
Okay, not very well, but well.
Yeah.
And then uhlangana nomuntu untombazana one-purpose like you can't waste money. Rara asenze so ngale mali le. So wena ufuna ukutshelwa ukuthi since ku spend most amount abangani bakho ngamabhiya, how about le weekend?
Hear me out. Don't cut everything. If me I used to go to a stadium then yaphuza ngenza lokuna. Hear me out ntwana. For you, when you are in my life now, just say with it. Instead of me hiring him Spanban, just say, baby, let's Uber together so we get it. We are still supporting.
But okay, you know, you go abona machita nemoto.
Yeah.
I know. They don't, cause Baba invested too much kwizinto as drainer instead of kwizinto ezifakayo. So intombazane ikhona empilweni yakho manje. Ngiyakutshela ukuthi you know Sithole. How about since uthenga utshwala so and you spend more than 1,000 every day, how about uqala ukuthi some weekends ungaphumi uphuzele la endlini? You know mawuphuze 100 rand 150 is enough for wena compared to le 1,000 ozoyiphuza ngokuphuma. So nina nifuna ukutshelwa and umfazi uzokhomba indlela.
But do you know how difficult it is ukuthi keep umuntu from what you grow up knowing? Umbuyombonisa something else, a grown ass man. Fana nani?
That's why ingamelanga ube nabantu abakudrain energy.
I hear you, but like,
you know me, I don't need umfazi ongana purpose life.
I hear you,
because me I know where I'm from. I'm surviving with the bare minimum. I'm surviving like nobody's business.
Yeah.
So khona wena ucabanga ukuthi frontal is the main nails what? No, you're gonna kill the dream. Angimfuni mina umuntu onjalo, you understand?
Ndana, when you get married, you have to face that. You have to face frontal. You have to face.
But before we face frontal,
you have to face all those
before we face
stuff.
Frontal.
Yeah.
Endlini go right.
Endlini go right.
We don't mind ukuthi ngiyohola manje. ngiyohola manje ngikuphe i-3,000 ku frontal ngeyi-15 asinanto yokudla ubani omele ayoboleka imali
Mtwana, guys, what I can
or
say,
even if akusiyimi
what I can say,
uzohamba ayoboleka imali then after ubani omele ayibhatale.
I hear you, Ntsako, but what I will tell you now, man, I've been pushing this thing for 17. Guys, when you are in a relationship, it's never easy. It's not about you most of the time.
You teach
110%, it is not about the man.
Yes,
I'm sorry, Dimples. It's all about me fulfilling your childhood's dreams.
But if when you fulfill fulfilling, you will never have anything in life. Because abanye amantombazane la akukho la. Bona bafuna ukuzibona basenkwarini, bafuna ukuzibona baphuza ama-ice cream.
Not even.
What about your life? Are you surviving wena before unikeza lo muntu something to survive? Amatheke iskepe sento umuntu ngeke azatshela ukuthi baby how about I can see ukuthi sonke sithanda ukuphuma ama-out. Asike save lo mbhede at least for the 3 months. You know lo muntu lo she's building. Not umuntu ohlala afuna ukudraina. Mina imali yami sithole ayiphumi.
I hear you. When you say it like that, okay, it's okay, I hear you. But like what I will tell you, Witty, when you are married or when you are in a solid relationship, where it's like, a guy's ideas,
yeah, but now
do you understand?
The papa is a man who type babe, so you
do you hear me, Chief?
If frontal, if I
No, I'm going through a lot of tests right now.
To be with the hero, I love a
But I'm telling you, Donna, it's never easy. Like when you're in a relationship, you must always ready to apologize. You must always ready to.
Lezo izinto ke engenye zibalekele. Mina ngibalekela kuma finance, mental health. You get.
Cause remember, sometimes I'm sacrificing myself, ne? Just which when I was a grand and everything.
Yeah,
but remember, when you sacrifice, you're taking part of something.
So now make a good example.
Yeah.
You sacrifice a lot for team and I shoot a lot.
Yeah.
You know why? Because we are benefit. So what's the use? You go to 30,000 so you benefits and success.
No, I hear you. Me, I'm pixed now. But I'm just saying, Gucci.
Tournament of Bananas of total 3,000. I keep that we have Mashonis and Bolegeli be Pume Pilot and like it. Tantos of Kibela 2 days. Mauhola Melupata, Melupata, Mashoni song Amazo, Azo, we are one. Pindum Nidimalia Frantai. Usa to pay you, we are lately. Well, yes, you know, Solomon Thomas and they're so evil. Napata di rent, Tolu to Shalago. Rent doing on my front side. No man just on a stress rent on a stress rent yaki. On a stress machine sang boling any mass. No guys,
guys, okay, what do you guys think about on a dating space, no? When we break up, somebody takes their belongings. Yeah, like everything. Let me start here, Chief.
I'm mom mature enough. I'm so.
Yeah.
Let's go again.
How do you feel about
But the question, oh, you heard the question.
Yeah.
What do you think about touching toes?
It's all cool. Sabon sukkel with like. Nano man unzo pa di chin. Ang kwatisa sa niya food.
And then Dimples. Cool person. Yeah.
But most of the like it's like full attention going. I'm
taking my things back.
I was stupid.
Because I remember when I see you wearing these things, sasa chikoje himi. ngathenga lezi zinto.
Yazi mina yabona into engihlale ngisho nasemsebenzini ukuthi if umuntu uncedile athi kodwa mina if ungenzela into ungenzela ifavor you expect something in return. If uyayenza nje angeke uthi mara ngithengele ijezi mara in like ukuba imatured ezinye izinto. Why mele uzenze ngokufuna unless wena ngaleso sikhathi wenza ifavor. That's why you will demand zonke into zakho ukuthi ungakhohlwa nale ya week nana. No guys.
The week level. Let's come back, yeah.
Yo maybe ukuthi mina I've never met umuntu odemand into that. Mina most izinto zami ngithengele umuntu most. And I ungizwe ngithi or yena masquateleni ngifuna no mina ngakunika futhi ungaphinde ngithathe next ephuma kuwe because sazi uyongihlaza ebantwini msho uyongikhumulisa estradeni sami. Why mele ifike lapho? Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, when you are saying is you are being immature when that happened, when you are saying that as well, then now okay. You know, I got like a different view when it comes to buying material stuff. There must be limits, especially like a house, cars, ne? You go there,
And that you can take.
but you see, guys, it's still taking your stuff back, chief.
No, you know me. I had a situation.
But you guys are not thinking deep. I see you guys.
Growing up,
yeah.
I had a situation.
Okay.
Later, this girl
Okay.
was money, yo.
Yeah.
Ubaba bekangayi imali.
Yeah.
Like noma ngesikoleni bekhe.
Yeah.
Nento engizikerayo.
Ngicacile
So
ukuthi.
girl bekase orphanage, but that's why ngithi kukayi2. Ake ngizithathe kodwa ngazithatha. Ngenza into eziningi for ugirl to a point ukuthi noma ubaba mangaya bengikera clipper for a week. Ngishare 50 ukuthi na carry 10 ngikere 10. Yabo. And bengidlala nesitokfela sama savings. Sikhipha ama 300 every month. Imali yami yaphuma I think be 3.7 or 3.8. Kadanga na phone we struggling makumele si. Yabo since ahlale orphanage akekho umuntu adependele kuye.
Okay.
Ngamthembisa ukuthi hayi ushuthi wahamba elisuthu akusiswakhe ngama holiday bayahamba. Ngingazi ukuthi waye bebamthathe because akaza ngitshela ukuthi waye bekahlala home kodwa kade asanobaba nosisi.
Okay.
Bakabuya sithole imndeyana. Sathi akhamenti thatha sangena ama A what Samsung A.
Yeah.
I think beku A03 or A3. I'm not sure between 03 or yenza 1.3. Ngayithenga cash at the age of 16 at the age of 16.
16.
Ngathenga iphone cash amgaya. Wangishintshela umuntu njengotshwala ebusuku.
Wait. Isn't the girl who wrote your name and the girlfriend's name?
Yeah.
You already that level, on the thingy. I do remember. She was like, yo, this is somebody's name.
Yeah, I'm not seeing us. Amantombazane. Bangithengela wangishintshela so. Oh
yeah. No, yeah. Yeah, you did share that story, bro.
Phone yami cause manje I feel like ngiyenza ukuthi akwazi ukuba accessible easy kumuntu wakhe lo waselisuthu. So ubani slimmer la.
You see? It's the exact things, guys. When
I never demanded them back.
When I mentioned in the Bema weeks, everybody was judging me with Story, get out of here.
But it's
the same thing.
No,
hear me out. Phone is a communication. In week she gonna be beauty for another person.
Oh, she's no longer your person. If mina ngwazile ukumfuna phela iphone bengihlanganisela ukuthi ngikwazi ukukhuluma. Umjida lo waselisuthu akamhlanganisele bawazi ukukhuluma. Mara impahla hence I'm saying angikaze ngayithi.
Guys,
I will never demand impahla.
This things, if ever you bought like yourself girl something, okay, it's okay. and you must be serious about what you're doing. That like, yo, I'm not gonna need these things back. And these things of taking stuff back, there's limits, guys. House, cars, and like things that I'll be paying. I'll be paying while me and you we have broke up. Those are things that have to be taken back. You can't be driving my Range Rover and parking it.
You remember 2024 ngakuthengela roof. 2025 ngitala kokatanga nayicathulo. Ngifakela ama tiles. Lezo zinto no.
I'm pickering my tiles. Taking them home.
You know mina friend ka cousin wami. Wathola ukuthi u-cousin wami like ichi cousin wami hlala like kuka cousin wami la. Then introduce boyfriend wakhe bahlala bonke and stuff. So usisi wami wahamba wayoganga. Kanti lo uzothola ukuthi uyoganga. Ayikho into angayiphulanga.
Bro, there's
iminyango yama fridge. Besihlukene so umbhede ungazi ukuthi uthelwe ngani. Isofa lidabukile like everything was a mess. So ukuthi angisena iPhone yami bengizokhomba.
Inkinga guys, sometimes when you invest on somebody, you invest by everything. You don't expect any disappointment. And so, but like you can't handle the disappointment that person is coming in.
That's why it's me that I'm ukukhulumela umuntu uthi umuntu wamuthi. Because when uyazenzela ukuthi masoma yazi namhlanje mangiseteksini ngibona umuntu ofana nomuntu wami. Dana engazi inhliziyo yami cishe yenzani. Manje ingqondo yami yangithi yakhumbula bekagcine. So ingqondo yami yabuya time man uqhaqhile. And ugcoke ibrugeli imnyama ne crop top e black. Into umuntu amanazi. Yazi tax mayiza ngase clinic. Cishe ngapha guys. Ngazi. Yabo mangibona ukuthi hayi manje. Ngathi uqhaqhile. Ilang phefumule khona.
Oh, when I was telling you she's coming from another operation somewhere.
Ngithi bayo operator phela akathi.
So it's the past.
Same hairstyle before cha. Black crop top. Brown trouser. Into umuntu amanazo.
Cishe inhliziyo.
Yeah, bengihlele phambili sona. Like Mara yabo ingqondo seya race ngiyacanga.
Relationship will be the end of us, guys. I was glad about relationships.
That's why bathi wathext umuntu naqala ukulala ngo1 block.
Waqala wahleka mangeni message nje.
So guys, what do you think about laba bantu abadala like? Yabona ukuthi hayibo mkhulu wena bonga melanga ule grooving. Why are you still here? like
laba omkhulu laba bafana nalaba.
Uyabona ukuthi baphizi bajaja umuntu ufaka nemali ukuthi ngifuna ama 2K. Guys, what do you think about those crop monies and stuff?
Labo mkhulu laba bafana nalaba nje abadala bashelana ngathi singane.
Okay.
Ufunani groove mina ngenzeni ngumntanakho maybe na 23 una 60 something. Mele ngiyojiva abangani siphume eThomi ngihlangana nobabami. What the fuck, and uhleli nemntana olingana nami ngifila kanjani? Hayi hlalani phansi bakwethu nisiyale ngezinto zomhlaba.
But inkinga wona these 23 that you're talking about ninganathisa bomkhulu. That's why bangasafuna ukulala endlini manje baphizi banilandele ema-groove.
Singayenza ni?
Ningabanathisa bomkhulu. Why are you nathisa bomkhulu? That's what you can say. Am I lying in that?
Hayi bomkhulu.
Hayi sanongazwisa into emnandi masekayifuna seyamchapha.
Yes, uyamlanda manje. Abamkhulu nathisa bomkhulu.
Ngikuzwisa into emnandi masekayifuna ayilana ngendodlo.
Besifazana abamkhulu baba wrong. Why wena uzomisela ipholo la? Ngihambe estradeni.
Wena wayichaza ipholo.
Wena wathi good ntwana wena wayichaza ipholo.
Wena wayizomisela iGTI la. Why unisa
wena uthatheka kalula.
Yeah. Exactly. That's what happened.
Yes, mina nginayinkinga ngabomkhulu because you know the saying le ethi Google thandayo. Mara makaye kwindawo
Efithayo.
level. Yeah.
Because you can see which this guy is trying to kill himself, ne? Le shukela likhuphukile but abantu they are not even nagaring this person.
If you feel like he's operating on some different level.
Yeah.
No. I can see you go solo bubu.
This is not the
Because why GTI legal care.
Hey, now we're disappointed. And then the buyers which they are no longer taking amabhagi or amacrescide, but I'm polo. Because buyers which hey, polo level, operation level.
Yes, seqalile.
Not to phela manga bese khona ikhehla phakathi ngizoba.
But like, what do you think about those guys?
Does the man lo mara sikhe? So
Ngifaka iblame mochiri.
Bafaka namaskin chin.
Like ngifaka iblame.
no.
Right.
Ukuthi bagcoka
Okay,
kanjani?
why?
Abo cherry yibo bazisa bomkhulu izinto ezimnandi.
Kanjani?
Hey, stop noticing.
Yeah.
Don't notice abomkhulu.
Uzwisa umkhulu into emnandi maseka kulanda enkwarinda ngevosha ifuna. Usiyamchomela ukuthi ubona thina.
Yeah, because uyazi ukuthi manje wena uzothola bo people bana energy.
Yeah, thina sifresh.
Bazokumarinate lapha. You must make sure ukuthi yeah,
umchomela umkhulu wakho no.
Mina ngiqhubuzela bomkhulu ukuthi basishele.
Sikuguzela umkhulu uyazi ukuthi ufunani enkwarini yama 2000.
Abanye nonindo ukuthi babe sekwarini they do go after bantwana.
nah man, like you remember this is a two-way thing. Somebody have shown something that you need, then whether you are hooked.
Okay, yena uzigcokele. Ufuna ugcoka imini skirt aveze ithanga.
No, I'm not saying that.
So when you get
Umkhulu lapha ya like ikhopha lezingane encane.
naye umkhulu uyabona ukuthi hawu
Hawu
noshukela woshanga.
Bese ngishamatha attack ngale nto engidokala. Kumele inhliziyo.
Ifana nokuthi umuntu athi bagrape because bowugcoke. Umuntu ugcoka whatever. Mina anginankinga yentombazane. Even though uvele mawubheka mawumuntu uyakhale. But akumelanga ube reason ukuthi umkhulu ishela ring abantwana because ubona isithende sesibuya.
Hawu for ini mina ngigqoka into engiyithandayo.
Futhi yibo laba basini azotshela umfazi ukuthi ungagcoka into engaka, gcoka into engaka. Manje wena umbona umfazi ukuthi attractive because wena umfazi umstopile ukuthi angazoveza isithende.
Imali inkinga. I okay. So the reason is because of I've seen some videos where they are your kulus that like is not even fit.
Because even operate
Cause remember, there's like as much as we are saying which like in that was a cool where they play jazz, the Hotman are chilling, Brandwood, not about skinny chin, Brandwood, nice. You know, Bashaito's abati, even when they Baba Chive. Yeah, you know those ones. Yeah. Exactly. So my chat is this, ne? What do you guys think about those guys where you have agreed to go with this guy in quarantine or anyway? So mine say when like child is and everything. Now remember you agreed to everything. Ufuna ukukulamza manje la. Manje unabangani phela ushini ukuthi yo Portia sambeni. And then it closing what's your chat, maybe word of advice, word of the day, whatever.
Yo,
before we close the show.
Hey, allow yourself to grow to enjoy the inner peace. Don't allow anything it drain energy, guys. Bambeni into emanzi.
Yeah.
DJ level.
Yeah. Ntwana.
Mina into engayisho nje one, mecherry thisana.
Oh, okay
guys, that was it guys. That is no cap guys. Episode 5 guys. Please subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. We really appreciate the Seho. We see you there on the comment section. We really appreciate no matter who we see you, my sister, you're busy commenting here and there. And then And who else is saying she's always watching us?
I think Yimengen's comedy wrong.
Yeah, but like
Oh, my girlfriend! Hey!
yeah, but she must
Baby,
comment.
Keep on supporting Story.
But she must comment so we can know, so we can say some shout out.